Many netizens told me that they want to install snow chains on their cars. Today, we've got it covered. We've brought a Tesla Model 3 to see if our snow chains are compatible. The tire size of this car is 235/45 R18. Now, let's take a pair of our new style snow chains and see if we can install them. Now, start the installation. Install the snow chains forward. After pulling it into place, pull it over and fasten it first, with a click. Firmly hold and fasten these two chains. Now buckle up. Then push it towards the inside of the tire, trying to push it as far as possible. And then connect it up. And then press it here. Make a slight adjustment. Well, basically, it can wrap around the tire. What do you all think?